Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Today I want to talk about our low porosity hair, whether you are relaxed, natural, or transitioning. I have all groups that are supporting this channel. So I'm going to do some stuff around the house, get our dinner on, and then I'll come back. This is just a chill Tuesday. So I just want to get things ready and then I'll be right back. Okay. Thank you. Okay, everything is all right. So today I just want to talk about our hair, our low porosity hair. Whether you're natural, I do have some naturals that are supporting my channel, and also transition. I have a few women that transition from relaxed to natural. They're also supporting my channel, and most of you are relaxed here. So I want to thank everyone who are here on today. Thank you, and I hope and pray that there's something that I say or perhaps that you see in the future will get you to come back for more videos. And if you have not subscribed, click on the button, okay? Make sure that your notifications are on so you won't miss any of my videos, okay? So I have my notes here from 2012. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. All right. This notebook is so old, but it works. I always refer back to this notebook whenever I need to do something or anything. It is full of the things that I used to do back in 2011 and also 2012 when I was first started doing my hair at home, and it did help my hair care. All right, it really helped me. So, and I like to refer back to these notes whenever people are asking questions about porosity or my hair products, or anything, my routine. I like to refer back, and then I will make a video out of these. Okay, so I'm going to get my glasses. All right, and then I'm going to read off some things. I hope and pray that I won't be before you guys too long, okay? But please, you can write these down too. Just get you a pen and pad and start writing them down. These are the things that I was doing to my hair when I found out my porosity, and I hope and pray that it will help you as well. Okay. One, you want to look for and use products that contain humectants. Humectants are glycerin. That's what I use. I put glycerin in my conditioner, and I also put glycerin in my moisturizer for my roots and the ends of my hair. It really does help around this time because it's still hot. Okay. Also, I use a little glycerin in my conditioner and also my moisturizer in the wintertime, especially in the months of January and February, because it's really, really cold around that time here where we stay. Okay, so honey, glycerin, and also aloe vera are humectants that really help to draw the moisture to the hair. That will give you extra moisture and hydration. Okay, for real. Deep conditioning, also, we need heat whenever we deep condition our hair. I don't know why the thing is going like that. I don't know why that's doing that. All right, I can see that. Deep conditioning with heat will really help our hair. You have to add heat whenever you deep condition your hair, okay? And a few of you told me that you didn't have a heat cap or a hooded dryer or a steamer. I don't have a steamer, but I do have a hooded dryer and a heat cap. That do help as well. I do know steam is really good for the hair as well, because it keeps the cuticles open while you're sitting under there with the conditioner on your hair. You can also heat up your conditioner. I remember when I first started doing my hair at home, I didn't have these tools as well, and I started heating up my conditioner on the stove. Not by itself, but you get you a pot of water, and once the water started to boil rapidly, add the bowl, either one of those silver mixing bowls or a glass mixing bowls. Add your conditioner, stir it up, okay, as it's heating up, and take it off once the conditioner loosens up. You get what I'm saying? Then apply it to the hair. You will see right before your eyes, it will really absorb very quickly into your hair strands. It won't sit on top because it's heated up. Okay, you can do that route until the Lord bless you with some tools to sit up under. Okay, that really works. I was doing that too. That really works. Okay, use lighter oils. I'll put them down here. You want to always use a light oil. You never want to use a heavy oil, because what that does is just sit on top of the hair. It's not penetrating or absorbing into the scalp or the hair strands. It's just sitting on top. And each day the hair gets oily and weighed down, and is prone to build up and other debris and dirt that just really comes to the hair. Okay, so use lighter oils. That really does help to penetrate in the hair, and also keep the moisture what you put in your hair. It does help. Okay, beware of too much and too many proteins. Now, I know the last video I did, the previous video that I did, I said I was going to start using the Alpha G every 8 weeks, but I'm sorry, guys, that was a mistake. I'm using them every 12 weeks. Okay, so that's every 3 months. I will be incorporating that protein in my hair. Once I'm done this year, then I'll go back to the hair mayonnaise, because the Alpha G is a really strong protein. I just wanted to get my hair back since it got cut. I'm trying to retain length. My hair is growing. I have seen better sides over here, because this side was shorter. And when I got my hair cut, it was here, sitting right here on, I think, on my collarbone. You guys remember that when I did my hair update? So now it done got a little length. It grew like a ½ an inch, or maybe 1.5 inches, somewhere along in there. But I can see the difference of my hair. Okay, then I'll go back to my hair mayonnaise, using it twice a year, and that's when I get my relaxer. That's it. So I made a mistake on that. I do apologize about that. Okay, stop skipping shampoo. I do have some subscribers that say that it helps their hair if they don't shampoo as much. Okay, I just want to say, just do what's best for you. Okay, but dirt and oil buildup doesn't grow the hair. Okay, it really affects the scalp. You will have scalp issues. Smells come in at play. Buildup come in at play. Breakage come in at play. You know, you don't want to keep skipping shampoo. Okay, but once again, you know, everybody do what's best for themselves when it comes to the hair. Everybody. I'm just giving you the things that I do to my hair that help me, and I'm just sharing it with you. Okay, does this help? All right. Nextly, don't use heavy creams or butters, because they're not good. Just like the oils, they're heavy. They're too heavy. They weigh the hair down, and it's prone to breakage and also debris on the hair. All right, build up on the hair. So it's too heavy. The cuticles are already closed, and you're packing on heavier creams. The hair can break. Okay, our low porosity hair is not designed or created for use of heavy products. It's not. Our hair is unique. Everybody's hair is unique, especially low porosity hair. Okay, keep that in mind. Whenever you're rinsing your hair, the products out of your hair, don't use cool water. I used to see that before the pandemic. People were using cool water to rinse their hair. They would use warm water and then turn around and use cool water on their hair. Do you know that you're closing the cuticles back up, and then you want to add your deep conditioner or your leave-in and then add an oil to it? Those products are not absorbing into your hair strands, because you have just shut the cuticles back up. And when you put it on, it's just on there. Then when I see people adding conditioner, deep conditioner, after they rinse their hair with cool water, that the product is white. I know you guys seen that before. The product is white on their hair. It didn't absorb. You can tell if your cuticles are open, okay, and the product is light enough and absorb in. You can see that right before your eyes. Just like my products, they absorb in my hair really quickly. And then once I add heat to it, oh my God, it's on. You understand? That stuff really absorbs into my hair strands, adding nutrients and vitamins that my hair need to help nourish my hair. But if you're putting things after you use cold water onto the hair, it's just sitting on top of the hair. Our hair is low porosity. Low porosity hair does not need anything cool on it. Anything cool on it. You hear me? Period.com. It doesn't need anything cool on there. All right. So stop using cool water on your hair. And that's the last of this. Okay. So these are all the things that you should know, have the wisdom and knowledge for your low porosity hair. This will help you choose better products and help with your routine as you go along. All right. I really hope and pray that this helped. If you are in agreements with this, give it a thumbs up. Once again, if you haven't subscribed by now, please click on the subscribe button and make sure that your notifications are on so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you ever kindly for watching me. Until then, you will see me in the next video. God bless you. Bye.